Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing inputs. Use monthly charts for big picture trend and weekly to time entries. Once chosen, create a watch list of 10 to 20 liquid, fundamentally sound names. Next, set your risk rules, decide a fixed % per position and an investment horizon of years. Then add a few technical indicators, 50 and 200 moving averages and a volume overlay. Finally, mark key support and resistance levels so you can act immediately when patterns emerge. Now dig into the mechanics. Identify the long-term trend by checking the 200 moving average slope and whether monthly candles form higher highs and higher lows. Then filter actionable signals. Look for a 50 crossing above 200, MACD momentum shifts, and rising volume to confirm. Draw multi-year support and resistance zones and test your rules on historical monthly data for 5 to 10 years. Make sure to size positions using your predefined risk and plan partial scaling rather than betting everything at once. Execute entries by staggering buys on monthly pullbacks to define support or moving average tests, so you average in without chasing peaks. Once in, use a trailing stop below a key support level and review targets quarterly, adjusting for macro shifts. Rebalance to maintain diversification and limit single stock exposure. If a technical trend breaks and indicators reverse, cut losses promptly rather than hoping for recovery. This troubleshooting rule preserves capital and gives you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.